Or knife multifunctional hatchet or tackle A1 mini. So let's open it up. Let's see. This is perfect for camping and so on. Okay, very well protected. Can open it with one hand, no problem. Let's open this. Okay, pulls out from this back. Ooh. Okay, looks like there is a attachable hammer from the back. That's cool. Also, it will be open, so it will be protected and usable hatchet without worrying about this being exposed, the sharp edge. This is a knife sharp. Wow. Usually like hatchets and axes are somewhat sharp. This one is just as sharp as a knife. Wow. This is a waxed paper, but as you can see, if an axe can do that, that's pretty sharp. But yeah, very nice handle. There's a rope can be attached to it, so locks in here. And if I attach it here and here, now I can use this part as a hammer. I'll drive in some stakes while camping. Like this right here. How does this work? I know it opens up. This is kind of different. Okay, so this opens and then slides open, goes onto the belt, onto a backpack, slides in. I don't know if I ever seen that extra safety right here. That is cool. Usually it just opens like this. This one have an extra safety. Handle material G10, head material 50CR15 MO stainless steel ox. Rail heavy duty bi-trail. I don't know, that's funny. So there's a rail with the different like heads, and this one the bigger ones with the magnet. Cool to like pull the bolts out, and this one is has a little like a hoop to put it onto a carabiner. It's mostly made for like a keychain. With smaller ones they also make the big bits like that. That is so cool, and they all numbered and stuff. Sits on a really well. I really have to pull it out to take it out. Also there's another rail. This is kind of like a kit of different, like a star bead, flatheads, and what do you call it, Phillips heads, two different kinds. So kind of bring it, hook it up onto something for easy access. Just pull it out and twist, unscrew. Yeah, another unique product. Pretty useful, I like that. And there's each one of them is named right here what it is. Or knife storage capsule or tackle H1. So let's open it up. It's perfect everyday carry keychain gadget. There's a logo on knife. It's tough, so waterproof, and it could be used for like extra cash or maybe vitamins, so different things. Just a really awesome keychain gadget right here. Boom. That's what it looks like. Titanium, pretty lightweight. Let's put it on the scale just to see what it actually weighs. Not even an ounce, so half an ounce, and then grams would be 18 grams. That's it. And another on knife titanium magnetic quick release keychain or tackle R1. So keychain gadget right here. Okay, sealed. So it comes with a couple of rings. So what's cool about it, it is swivels up and down, but the magnetic release also has a safety, and then it is pretty easy to release it. I love that. So lock it in. Now it just swivels. If I wanna quick release something, boom, release it. But also I can plug it back in and not worry about it. And if I wanna keep it locked in, just lock it in this way. Awesome. So quick release, and also when it's on safety, it's not going to be released quickly unless I detach safety. Door HBOA, box opener assistant. Okay. It says replace blade quickly and safely with flick over your finger. We'll see about that. Okay, cool. Plastic handle. Okay, back lock right here. Ooh. Opens, closes very tightly. It doesn't flick or anything, but easy to open it. So how do I do it? Ooh, all I have to do is just push it back, left or right hand, and release it. Flick of your finger. It is pretty easy to release it. Awesome. And then I have a box cutter again. There's a one way to do it for precision. There's a longer way to hold it, but for precision cutting, this way or this way. More force, more precision right here. Very cool. And locks it up like that. I don't think I've ever seen a quick release like that. Push it back, boom, lock it back in. Nice. Found this everyday carry tool on Amazon. It's a little screwdriver made out of aluminum, and there's something inside of it, definitely aluminum. So this one spins right here, and we have a couple of bits. No, oh man, they're stuck. A lot more than couple, a ton of bits, and all it is a magnetic screwdriver, magnetic beads, I mean, and it's a screwdriver. Very cool. There's a clip right here too, and there's a container. I can't believe this made out of aluminum. So then can put them all away. Yeah, they fit so well. They do get stuck in there a little bit, so I gotta shake it off. So I can take one out, screw it back on, and use it to use it like everyday carry screwdriver. Boom, plug it back in. Yeah, aluminum everyday carry bit driver. I guess that's what it's called. Nice.